Hannah. Today, Laura and I decided to be a little spontaneous, and right now I'm walking towards our room in the Saratoga Spring. We decided, or we asked someone to join us for this trip in a specific. And as you can see, I'm doing some exercise, just taking the stairs.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, a jungle VIP. But I've reached the top, I had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, stroll right into town, be just like those other men. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, ooby doo, I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you and talk like you too. Oh, you see, an ape like me, I can learn to be human too. Don't try to kill me, man, cause I'm here to deal with you what I desire. Now I'm the king of the swingers, a jungle VIP. But I've reached the top, I had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, stroll right into town, be just like those other men. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, ooby doo, I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you and talk like you too. Oh, you see, an ape like me, I can learn to be human too.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello.
We are in the pool. The better time for freshed up after
Epcot.
at Epcot.
Extremely hot. So
Extremely,
now,
extremely hot.
jumping into the pool. Hello from the pool. It feels amazing to be in the water. Amazing! I just met you, and this is crazy. So here's my number, so call me maybe. There's a water slide over there, which we might do later on. It was really good!
Now I'm the king of the swingers, a jungle VIP. But I've reached the top, I had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, stroll right into town, be just like those other men. I'm tired of mucking around. Oh, ooby doo, I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you and talk like you.
Right now I'm waiting for Lara to come out of the water slide. We'll see how she comes.
I can learn to be human too.
To listen.
Aquí tienen puros retro.
I'm blue.
I wanna be like you. Oh, I wanna walk like you and talk like you too.